Today we are happy. We have had a very fruitful engagement. It was in the first meeting. We have held a series of meetings culminating into this and of us calling off the strike. Actually, as the SG Nyanza branch, Dr. Agro Urenyo, I want to declare that the strike, Kisii County doctor strike, is officially called off. And we request or rather direct our members to resume work immediately, but not later than midnight. We are happy. I can't go into detail mentioning what challenges we had, but we are happy. Other than the salaries and byproducts, we have solved so many things through the engagements we have had, and we have through the committees which are existing. That's the CBA, Doctor CBA Implementation and Monitoring Committee. We have also set aside other ad hoc committees, which we look forward to be meeting routinely for us to solve any issue with regard to the welfare of our doctors. And we endeavor to be meeting, not necessarily when we have crisis, labor disputes, but even to greet each other for us to share the positives, what our members are offering to the citizens of Kisii County.
Kuripotinga tuiguananire asa mang'ana arengaro ari gutusumbua na ira ari ngikoba munene agutungusa munya abamenyi be Kisii County tumanyete nga asengencho ye serikali y'omusiko ito Paul Gavana Simbarati atote chingurwechi twagosoire nane twekebono maragoba tuiguananire igo yarenge ogogosoyo gutambe kwa ira matukang'ana 5 lakini tukwingambia mono asokigwane maragobe yenga omogomo yotigoere elinda abantu baito bonse bali Kisii County bali babwate mechando y'oburwaire bataigwetuya sebitanda byabo sinyagitari kyonsi banyare konyora okokonyeka gotera abanyagitari aba abanyagitari aba ne timu ye tukwengambia mono ase ogogosorio okuya na koigwana nga omogomoere ende tuira nemirimo tokonya abantu baito ba Kisii County abana mama barwarete abatata barwarete abana baito tukwengambia mono ase ngenjo mwanjire na tuigwananire ngomogomo tigoere egera abantu baito banyare gokonyeka asetinye gitari chito kobwa mono alitu agosoirio nsi abana ba minto the government y'omu Paul Simbarati gotogoteba nga ntokora itwa kwana na byonsi mbikirane ase ngenjo y'obuya no mochoko muya bwa serikali igoti muobwa all shall be well na tuigwananire na mwensi ntogoke ase kugenda forward na atebire byabona abantu baito bonse simwabeta bono mogomo elire muchando toba tiga abantu baito bakonyeke na kurwarigwa elinde na barabu banyoro bwororo no busibole bwo kuigubuya na konyara kwerwa na sobugima bwabo buya mono thanks for everything and may the heavenly